can see here, let's start with our worrywart. Start with a slip knot and chain 5. Go back to the first chain, draw a loop and do a slip stitch through both loops on your hook. And now take your hook out and carefully just weave in that end. So at the end you don't have anything to weave in. And then chain 1. We'll be working in that ring we just created. We'll do 2 single crochets into the loop. 1, 2. And then now we're gonna grab our finger puppet and we'll hold our finger puppet in the front and our ring will be in the back, working through both the ring and the puppet. So we'll go through this ring here of the puppet and we'll go through our ring we just created, and we'll do 8 to 10 single crochets depending how tight your stitches are, how thick your yarn is. 10. So now that my stitches are ready here, I'll go and I'll move behind the eyes again, and into the ring here I'll do 2 more stitches. 2 single crochets into the ring but working behind the eyes. 1, 2. And now slip stitch into that first single crochet you made, so you can close that first round. And then chain 15. So you can make that chain longer, you can make it shorter, it's up to you how long you want your worm to be. And then we'll do, in each chain we'll do 3 double crochets. So we'll start with the first double crochet, which is actually chain 2, and now into that third stitch from the hook we'll do 2 double crochets for a total of 3 double crochets in that chain. So now we'll go to the next chain and we'll do 3 double crochets there. All right, so this chain got 3 double crochets, and we are going to into the next one with 3 double crochets all the way till the end of the chain, and this will start curling by itself. You'll just help it keep in shape. And once you're done, we'll add a keychain here at the end, and you can turn your worrywart into a keychain or a car decoration. And I'm looking at my timer and I'm almost at the 9-minute mark here. So in about 10 minutes you can make a puppet. So here it is. You can cut and weave in the end. I made my loop bigger so I can thread it through and then help it curl. So there is my little guy here. Check the other fidget tutorials on my channel. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.